This is Andy Chambers. Thank you for joining me for today's update. Most of the major indices went sideways for the last 9 months of 2012. Trading in January appears to mark the beginning of an upside breakout. Today we'll be looking at some stocks that look like they could have very good upside potential. The first stock is CAH, or Cardinal Health. The current targets for Cardinal Health are 50, 55, and 60. A monthly close below the September low of 36.91 would put the bullish outlook on hold. The monthly chart for DuPont has a higher low bottom setup. The upside target is 60. A monthly close below the November low of 41.67 would void the bullish setup. Dollar General was in a strong bull trend for over 2 years. The strong bullish reversal in January suggests that the deep pullback could be over and the uptrend could be resuming. The next targets are 55 and 60. A monthly close below the January low of 39.73 would put the bullish outlook on hold. EXPD has a higher low bottom setup with plenty of upside potential. The current targets are 55 and 60 with key support at last year's low of 34.20. GE appears to have good upside potential with relatively low risk. The current target for GE is 30. A monthly close below the November low of 1987 would put the bullish outlook on hold. GNW, or Genworth Financial, built a base for over a year and now appears to be ready for a rally. The targets for GNW are 14, 18, and 22. Key support is seen at 4. GPC was in a very strong bull trend from 2009 until late 2011. After going sideways for about a year, it appears to be poised for a further advance. The next targets are 80 and 85. A monthly close below the October low of 59.53 would put the bullish outlook on hold. IPG has a higher low bottom setup with a target of 17.50 and key support at 9. As you can see from the chart, JDSU can make big moves up and down. Right now, it looks like it could be ready for another move up. The targets are 20, 25, and 28 with key support at 8.50. JEC has been building a base for over 4 years. It looks like it could finally be ready to take off. The upside targets are 60, 65, and 70 with key support at 33.60. After going sideways most of last year, KLAC is on the verge of an upside breakout. The next target is 70. A monthly close below the November low of 43.21 would put the bullish outlook on hold. KMB just broke out of a sideways range. The next targets for KMB are 100 and 110. A monthly close below 81.29 would put the bullish outlook on hold. After a short pause, Mo appears to be ready for a further advance. The next targets for Mo are 40 and 45. A monthly close below the November low of 30.01 would put the bullish outlook on hold. NSC could have excellent upside potential. The current targets for NSC are 80, 90, and 100 with key support at 56. PNW was in a strong bull trend before the recent short pause. The January close confirms a higher low bottom setup. The next targets are 60 and 65. A monthly close below the November low of 48.73 would void the bullish setup. RDC is another stock with relatively low risk and excellent upside potential. The targets are 45 and 50. A monthly close below the November low of 30.05 would put the bullish outlook on hold. UNH has been in a strong bull trend. The recent pause is expected to yield to a further advance. The next target is 65, a monthly close below the January low of 51.36 would put the bullish outlook on hold. UPS has a higher low bottom setup. The targets are 90 and 100. A monthly close below the November low of 69.56 would void the higher low bottom setup. WMB has been going sideways for almost 2 years. Recent trading suggests that it could finally be ready for a rally. The initial upside targets are 45 and 50, a monthly close below the November low of, whoops, don't have that one, just below 30, or just above 30, would put the bullish outlook on hold. And last, recent trading suggests that XLE could be ready for a further advance. The next targets are 90 and 100. A close below the November low of 67.77 would put the bullish outlook on hold. Well, that's the last chart for today. We've been looking at monthly charts. Monthly setups can take time to develop. If you buy options on any of these stocks, please buy plenty of time. Thank you for your time and attention. Good luck and good trading.